Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Electude. We're going to be using this for all of our certifications in class. You will need to complete these certifications before you work with tools. It's a way to show me that you know what you're doing and that you can be safe. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go to Google Classroom and you're going to follow the link to Electude. I already partially signed in with this student account, so the next page you're not going to see, but you're going to have to put in your username and password. If you used Electude before for any other class, use that information. If this is your first time using Electude, the username will be first name _ last name, and the password will be DDHS 2023 and the number sign. The number sign is shift and 3. Okay, so I'm going to go to the page that I'm at. I'm going to click on student. I already put in my password. So that already happened. Now I'm going to go here to new password. This is where you're going to have your password that you're going to be using for the duration of the class. So I'm going to put a password in here. Once I have my password in there, I'm going to click OK. Remember that your password is not visible to me once you put it in. So if you forget it, I will need to reset it. So please do not forget your password. You can edit any kind of details here if you would like. Please do not change your first and last name, or at least your last name, so that way I can find you. Okay. Now, here are the courses that you are enrolled in. So depending on which class you're in, this class is an example of Auto 1, so it's Basic Car Care. So here you're going to have Content of Basic Car Care Period 1, Semester 1, 2023-24. So yours is going to be different if you're in a different class. I'm going to click on this folder right here. The first thing we're going to be using is a C-Car e-Safety for light vehicles. We're also going to be doing this right here, but the most important is going to be this first one right here. So I'm going to click on it. This is going to bring up all of my required modules that I have to do. The first one you're going to start on today is the personal protective equipment. We have two things here. We have the personal protective equipment, safe use and handling. This one right here, even if you don't pass it, you can still continue on, and this is only for the safety. But for this right here, the use and handling post test, you have to get an 80% or higher to be able to move on. So I'm going to click on this, and when I'm ready, I can start the module. So in the module, it'll have the introduction, it's going to have information here, and then it's going to have a question. So question number 1 is, one of the 2 major factors causing injury have been identified as, let me see what it is. Let's give it away to customers. And I think it's number 2. So I'm going to click it. I'm going to go check. Okay, so I got it correct. And then I go to the next question. And it'll give me more information, and I answer it. Let me do a random. Hopefully I get it wrong. And then it says that's not right. So if that's not right, I can click on the right one and click check, and then I can continue on. So I'm going to go through this module right here, and when I'm completely done with it, it'll take me back to my splash page. So let me just, I don't want to go through the whole thing for this demo. So I'm going to click here. I think this is going to take me back to Electude. There we go. And it'll show me how much I've done on it. So I spent 1 minute and 3 seconds on this so far. Status is busy, and this is what I have, like a correct and wrong. But this one, like I said, you don't have to have it all correct. This one, however, the post test. This post test, you have to get an 80% or higher to continue. All right, everyone, good luck. Oh, and remember that you can work on this at home. It doesn't have to be done at school. Good luck, everyone.